Myself, Shubham Hanumant Mohite, DCP first year from KCD's Krishna College of Pharmacy, Karad. My topic name is Cough and Sneezing Etiquettes. Presentation aim is stopping the spread of germs that can make you and others sick. Always turn away from others before you sneeze or cough. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when you sneeze. If you don't have a tissue, cover your sneeze into your upper sleeve. Put your used tissue in the waste basket. Wash hands often with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. If soap and water is not available, then use alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And avoid touching your face with your hands. When one touches the face with unwashed hand, then the cold and flu viruses get a chance to enter mucous membranes of the nose and eyes and cause infection. In short, cough and sneezing etiquettes are important in our healthy life. Thank you.